Today we're going to cook tri-roots brown basmati rice. TJ and I are welcoming you to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. So we're cooking brown basmati rice. Combined the brown basmati rice with 2.5 cups of water in a medium saucepan. You add a tablespoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do everything but add the oil. If desired, bring this mixture to a boil or the salt. Bring the simmer over low heat for 35 to until rice is tender and liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and let stand cover for 5 minutes. Fluff rice with a fork and serve. I'm going to use a saucepan. And then we're going to use 1 cup brown basmati rice. I had this at Sam's Club on sale. Seemed like a good deal, $9 for 4 pounds of rice. Okay, but next thing we're going to do is, here's the water. I'm going to stir it up. I'm going to turn on the stove top. So here you can see the flames. They're there, but you can barely see them. And I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, my favorite salt. Yeah. Bring this to a boil, stirring occasionally. Okay, this is an occasional time right here. We're going to stir it. It doesn't stick on the bottom. After it's started to boil, then we're going to cover it up and leave it alone for 35 to 40 minutes. I'm setting the timer for 35 minutes. So as soon as the water boils, we'll set the timer, and then all we have to do is sit back, watch TV, let the rice cook itself. This must be another occasional time where I'm going to stir it. Now this rice is made of only organic brown basmati rice, nothing else. So 1/4 cup gives you 180 calories, and of course this is gluten-free, which is nice. You can see the water is starting to boil. It's still boiling. I have the cover right here. Place the cover on top. Turn down the heat from high to low and set the timer. Well, the timer just rang and the rice is ready. Take a fork. You see how the rice is all together? Fluff it up. See this water at the bottom? You want that rice, that water to be absorbed. The instructions say that once you do this, you take it off the heat and you let it stand for 5 more minutes. That's what we're going to do. Turn off the heat, set the timer. So it's been 5 minutes. So now we're going to turn off the beeper and we're going to check it again. And see the liquid was picked up. So that's it. The brown basmati rice is finished. Now I'm going to cover this up. If you're curious to see how I'm doing this, just grabbing it with the large spoon, in this case this. I'm just going to put it together. Cover it up and just stick it in my fridge. Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.